It works on my machine. It's the most infamous phrase in software development. It's a joke. But it's not funny when it burns 3 days of your team's time. So why does it really happen? Because a developer's laptop is a chaotic, isolated bubble. It has different library versions, different OS patches, and different network permissions. It is not the real world. Production is the real world. This is the unseen world, the engines that make intelligence possible. This isn't just a dev versus sysadmin meme. This is a critical business problem. You are paying your most expensive engineers to bug hunt every hour. Is an hour they aren't building your next feature. The fix isn't better documentation. The fix is standardization. This is where bare metal, dedicated servers come in. When it works on staging, it will work on production because it's the same, stable, predictable hardware. Stop debugging your laptop. Start building for reality. Serverinaja provides the high-performance, dedicated servers. So you can finally end the "it works on my machine" argument for good. Serverinaja. Build for the real world.